Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to cover the home screen and the shortcut Carousel. And that video starts right now. Hello folks and welcome to North Texas Hunting and Outdoor Adventure. This is a home screen. This is the first thing you'll see when you turn on your device. Here you will see the icon status, some scales, and other widget information. The next thing I'm going to teach you is how this thing operates. Let's start with the zoom option. On the left side of your scope, you're going to use this knob to do the zoom in and out. Please note, when this device is activated for the first time, you need to configure the lens option in the pop-up window before zooming. Please refer to the system setting, device type. Now, when you're on the home screen and if you hit the power button, it will do a normal nuke. Let me do that right now and show you what it does. Now you do have a choice to turn on the auto nuke, but I prefer to do it myself. Now the left arrow on top of your scope will actually take a photo. The screen will blink when it's taking a photo. Now the right arrow on top of your scope will record normal video. On the left top corner you'll actually see the video count. Now, if you think you're going to forget to hit the record button, you can set it on the RAV mode. The video is activated by the recoil of your weapon a few seconds before and a few seconds after the shot. Now, let's talk about the shortcut Carousel and using the system settings. Press the OK button to activate the shortcut Carousel function. To move between functions, use the left and right arrow buttons. Now when you get to a particular function, you're going to use the OK button to edit or to turn on a function that is turned off. This particular scope has two modes, basic and advanced. The basic mode has the following options: system settings, zero reticle, advanced shortcuts, contrast, and back to system settings. Alright, let's turn on the advanced mode function. Right arrow till you get to this and then hit OK and you're ready to go. Now the advanced mode has the following options: the rangefinder, nuke, close shortcut, system settings, contrast, zero reticle, advanced shortcut, the ballistic calculator, recoil activate video, Wi-Fi, the gallery, environment, distance entry, and back to advanced shortcuts. Alright folks, there you have it. On the next video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to each of these functions in deep detail, how they each work. So the next video will probably be titled Using the System Settings. Alright, until the next time, if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe today and turn on the notification bell. And see you guys on the next video. Alright.